Hi everyone, my name's Lisa and I became an independent consultant this week. So my first order I'd like to unbox with you guys and show everyone what I ordered through Arbonne. So here's our box. I did already open it as I don't want the kids getting the knife, so I've gone and put that up. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the greens powder. So I got 2 of these. As this is one of my everyday go-to things, is to have a greens powder. So I was out of that. The next thing I got was the pomegranate fizz sticks. They just help with your energy levels. I only had citrus left and I love pomegranate, so I got some more of those. I got a new mascara, so a Speak Volumes mascara. I got 2 Cherry Blossom smoothed over lipsticks in a flush. So here's the other one. So you can see the colour. And it smells like cherries, so it's very nice. And then the other colour I got was Bouquet, which is a beautiful colour, a very bright colour. I'm going to put this over the top. Then I got the Night Repair Cream. And I'll just show you what it looks like. It's got a very subtle smell, which is nice, which I find I'd prefer less smell in my skincare. I got just the lip balm, just something quick to throw on when my lips are dry. I haven't tried this one yet, so I can't wait to give this a go and see how it helps with the dryness of my lips in winter up here in Toowoomba. I got the Starlight Glow palette. I've been wanting to get this for a while. It's a very beautiful set. So I can't wait to try that one. And I also got a water bottle that was gifted to me for becoming an independent consultant. So that's exciting to use when I go out exercising. And I just got a couple of Flourish product books. And what I like about these is you can just open them up like you would a magazine and go through and check out the product. See what it says about it. You can see the pricing. So I got 3 of these just to share with my friends and family, just to have one in my house so I can go back and look through it too. And that's all I got, but it's probably not a massive first order, but it's everything I love so far with Arbonne. So my greens, my mascara, and these lipsticks, oh my, lovely. And a few things I haven't tried, like the night moisturiser. So, and the glow palette. So a few things I haven't tried, but I'm very excited to try. And a few of my favourite normal things that I always use, like my greens powder and my fizz sticks and my mascara. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to see you all around a bit down the track, and have a great day. Bye.